Hey, beauties! Ready to create a makeup look that's as magical as a snowy day? We're diving into a winter wonderland look today, featuring frosty eyes and bold lips. This look is perfect for the holidays, a night out, or just because you want to feel fabulous. The best part? It's super easy to achieve, even if you're a beginner. So grab your makeup brushes and let's get started. I'm so excited to share this look with you guys. Winter is my absolute favorite time of year for makeup. Think cozy nights, twinkling lights, and endless opportunities to play with shimmer and sparkle. This look is all about embracing the magic of winter and letting your inner ice queen shine through. Are you ready to get glamorous? Let's do it! Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's talk about prepping your skin. Prepping your skin is the foundation of any great makeup look. It's like building a house. You need a strong base to ensure everything else looks perfect and stays in place. Without proper skin prep, even the best makeup products can fall short. Just like a painter needs a smooth canvas, we need to start with a flawless base for our makeup. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a rough, uneven surface. It just wouldn't work. The same goes for your face. A smooth, well-prepped skin ensures that your makeup glides on effortlessly and looks seamless. This will help our makeup last longer and look even more amazing. When your skin is properly prepped, it not only enhances the appearance of your makeup, but also increases its longevity. No one wants their makeup to fade or smudge halfway through the day, right? First, hydrate your skin with a good moisturizer. Hydration is key to achieving that dewy, fresh look. A well-moisturized face acts as the perfect canvas, allowing your makeup to blend seamlessly and preventing it from looking cakey or patchy. This will plump up your skin and create a smooth surface for your makeup. Think of it as giving your skin a drink of water. It instantly revitalizes and plumps up your complexion, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Next, apply a makeup primer. Primer is an essential step that many people overlook, but it can make a world of difference. It creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup, ensuring that everything stays in place. Primer is like magic in a bottle. It not only helps your makeup last longer, but also enhances its appearance. With primer, your makeup will look smoother, more even, and more professional. It fills in pores, smooths out fine lines, and helps your makeup stay put all day and night. No more worrying about your makeup settling into fine lines or disappearing by the end of the day. Primer ensures that your look stays flawless from morning till night. Focus on your T-zone, where you tend to get oily, and any areas with large pores. The T-zone, which includes your forehead, nose, and chin, is often the oiliest part of your face. Applying primer here can help control shine and keep your makeup looking fresh. Now, your skin is prepped and ready for foundation. With your skin properly prepped, you're ready to move on to the next step, foundation. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly and apply it evenly all over your face. The right foundation can make a huge difference in your overall look. Make sure to blend it well to avoid any harsh lines or uneven patches. Use a brush, sponge, or your fingers, whatever you prefer. Each method has its own benefits, so choose the one that works best for you. Brushes can provide a more polished finish, sponges can help with blending, and fingers can give a more natural look. Experiment and find what makes you feel most comfortable and confident. Alright, let's talk frosty eyeshadow. This look is perfect for winter, capturing the essence of frosty mornings and snowy landscapes. It's all about creating a cool, icy effect that makes your eyes pop and sparkle like freshly fallen snow. This is where the magic really happens. With the right shades and techniques, you can transform your eyes into a winter wonderland. The key to this look is using cool-toned eyeshadows that mimic the icy hues of winter. Think blues, silvers, and whites, colors that remind you of frost and ice. Start by applying a light, shimmery white or silver eyeshadow all over your eyelid, from lash line to brow bone. This will create a luminous base that catches the light beautifully. This will act as our base and make the other colors pop. The shimmer will give your eyes that frosty, glistening effect, just like snow under the sun. Next, take a medium-toned blue or gray eyeshadow and blend it into your crease. This adds depth and starts to build that icy gradient. Use a fluffy blending brush and apply the color in soft, circular motions. This technique ensures that the color is well diffused and there are no harsh lines. The key here is to blend, blend, blend. Blending is crucial for achieving that seamless transition between colors, making the look more natural and ethereal. We want the color to be seamless and diffused. This will give the illusion of a soft, frosty haze over your eyes. To deepen the outer corner of your eye, use a darker shade of blue or gray. This step adds drama and intensity to the look. Apply this with a smaller brush, focusing on the outer V of your eye. This technique helps to concentrate the color and define the shape of your eyes. This will add depth and dimension to your eye look. The contrast between the lighter and darker shades will make your eyes stand out, giving them a captivating, frosty allure. Now let's add some sparkle. Winter is all about shimmer and shine, so don't be afraid to go all out. Using your finger or a small brush, apply a shimmery white or silver eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eye. This will brighten up your eyes and make them look bigger. You can also add a touch of shimmer to the center of your eyelid for extra dimension. I love using a glittery silver or champagne eyeshadow for this. Just pat it on with your finger for a subtle but stunning effect. And there you have it, frosty, shimmery eyes that are perfect for winter. Section 5, Bold Lips Don't Lie, Choosing Your Perfect Red. Now for the star of the show, the bold lip. We're going for a classic red lip to create a stunning contrast with our frosty eyeshadow. When choosing a red lipstick, it's important to consider your skin tone. If you have fair skin, a true red with blue undertones will look amazing on you. If you have medium skin, a brick red or orange red will be super flattering. And if you have dark skin, a deep burgundy or wine red will really pop. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the shade of red that makes you feel your most confident. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Section 6. Pucker Up. Applying your bold lip like a pro. Applying a bold lip can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to make a statement, a bold lip can elevate your entire look. But it does require some technique to get it just right. Here are my tips for achieving a flawless red lip. These steps will ensure that your lipstick looks perfect and stays put all day long. First, prep your lips by exfoliating them with a lip scrub. This step is crucial because it removes any dry or flaky skin, creating a smooth canvas for your lipstick. This will remove any dry skin and create a smooth surface for your lipstick. You can use a store-bought lip scrub or make your own with a bit of sugar and honey. Next, apply a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. Lip liner is a game changer because it helps to define your lips, prevent the lipstick from bleeding, and make your lipstick last longer. Lip liner helps to define your lips, prevent bleeding, and make your lipstick last longer. Start by outlining your lips, then fill them in completely with the liner. This will act as a base for your lipstick and help it adhere better. Start by outlining your lips, then fill them in completely. This not only provides a base for your lipstick, but also ensures that even if your lipstick fades, the color will still be there. Now it's time for the lipstick. Choose a bold color that complements your skin tone. Reds, berries, and deep plums are always great choices for a striking look. Apply your lipstick carefully, starting from the center of your lips and working your way out. This technique helps to control the amount of product you're applying and ensures an even application. You can use a lip brush for extra precision. A lip brush allows you to get into the corners of your lips and create a sharp, defined edge. If you make any mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes happen to the best of us, and they're easy to fix. Just clean up the edges with a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover. This will help you achieve a clean, polished look. And there you have it, a bold lip that looks professional and lasts all day. Section 7. The Finishing Touches. Highlighting your best features. To complete our Winter Wonderland look, let's add some finishing touches. Highlighter is your best friend when it comes to creating a radiant, glowing complexion. Apply a shimmery highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones, brow bones, and down the bridge of your nose. You can also add a touch of highlighter to your Cupid's bow to make your lips look fuller. And if you're feeling extra festive, add a touch of shimmer to your collarbones and shoulders. Section 8. Setting the look, making it last all night. Now that we've spent all this time creating our Winter Wonderland masterpiece, let's make sure it lasts all night long. Setting spray is a must-have for any makeup look, but it's especially important for this look because we're using a lot of shimmer and glitter. Hold the setting spray about arm's length away from your face and mist it evenly all over. Make sure to close your eyes and mouth. Let the setting spray dry completely before you get dressed. And there you have it. Your Winter Wonderland makeup look is complete. Section 9. Unleash your inner ice queen. Congratulations, beauties! You've officially mastered the Winter Wonderland makeup look. I hope you had fun creating this look with me. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and add your own personal touch to this look. Now go out there and rock that frosty eyeshadow and bold lip with confidence. And most importantly, embrace your unique beauty and let your inner ice queen shine through. Until next time, stay glamorous.